Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Umi Kalsum. I'm from PBI Kospi, and this is my discourse analysis assignment 2 with the theme The Genesis of Discourse Analysis. Question number 1 is why should we learn the genesis of discourse analysis? Please explain your answer. To deeply understand discourse analysis, we must first explore its origins and theoretical foundations. The genesis of discourse analysis is crucial because it provides insights into how this field emerged and evolved alongside linguistic theories. And question number 2 is do you agree with saying that the development of the A theory is strongly influenced by the development of linguistic theories? Okay. Yes, I agree that the development of discourse analysis theory is strongly influenced by the linguistic theories. DA emerged from linguistic studies, primarily focusing on spoken and written language use. The progression of linguistic theories, traditional grammar, structuralism, and functionalism provided the foundation for DA to evolve as an independent field. Next question is, what do you know of the traditional grammar theory? So, and what is a grammar theory? Traditional grammar theory developed in the 18th and 19th centuries in Europe, focuses on morphology, syntax, without much emphasis on sound and meaning. And the next question is, what is the main principle of this theory? So the main principle of traditional grammar theory is its prescriptive approach, which is prioritized on dialect or language variety as the standard that all speakers must follow. And then what the teachers adopt the principle in teaching a language. So teachers adopt this principle by using a prescriptive approach to enforce strict language rules and speaking and writing. The emphasis standardized grammar, spelling, and socially accepted usage, guiding learners on what is considered correct. And the next question is, what are the products of this theory? One major product of traditional grammar theory is Murray's English grammar, which remained influential for over a century. Next question is, what is the main shortcoming of this theory? The main shortcoming of traditional grammar theory is its rigid prescriptive approach, which limits learners' understanding of language variation. And next question is, what are grammar translation method and its relation to the traditional grammar theory? The grammar translation method is a teaching approach influenced by a traditional grammar theory, emphasizing written language over spoken communication. It focuses on translation, grammar accuracy, and teacher-centered instructions, often neglecting practical language use. While GTM helped standardize grammar teaching, its rigid approach made language learning slow and impractical for real communication. Next question is, what do you know of structuralism theory? And what does the Saussure say about the structure of language? Okay, structuralism emerged as a response to the limitation of traditional grammar theory, which was seen as restrictive, restrictive to linguistic research. So Ferdinand de Saussure introduced this approach in Course in General Linguistics, 1916, emphasizing that language is structured, system, and interrelated science rather than a fixed set of rules. De Saussure argued that la langue, consists of signs, which general speech, parole. And what is the main principle of this theory? The main principle of structuralism is that spoken language holds primary importance over written language. This theory adopts descriptive approach, encouraging learners to uncover implicit language rules rather than strictly follow predefined grammar. And the next question is, what is the informant method and what is its relation to structuralism theory? The informant method, derived from structuralism, employs native speaker as linguistic models while linguists analyze language structure. Next question is, what are the characteristics of this method? Language is what native speakers say, not what should be said. Drilling is the primary classroom activity. Foreign language learning requires habitual use through limitation and repetition. Teachers guide students to repeatedly practice the same sentences. The teacher's language serves as a model for students. Communication skills develop through long, repetitive, and rigorous practice. The next question is, what is the main shortcoming of this theory? One main shortcoming of this theory is that its lack of emphasis on cultural aspects in language learning. And next question is, what is error analysis and what is its relation to structuralism theory? So error analysis in structuralism is rooted in belief that language learning requires strict adherence to correct linguistic structures. This method assumes that errors must be immediately corrected to prevent fossilization, ensuring that learners acquire only proper patterns of the target language. And the next question is, what do you know of functionalism theory? And what does the Chomsky say about language? So functionalism emerged in the 1970s as a reaction to structuralism, which had